I'm very excited to show off a preview of the upcoming Examine safety database, and I'll be using caffeine as an example today. The structure of the information is relatively the same across all of our supplement pages. The first and most important thing is the safety summary. Here we summarize the most important and relevant safety information for the supplement you're looking at. If there are potential concerns around the quality, that will also be added right here. Next up, we have side effects. Here we talk about the side effects caused by the consumption of the supplement you're looking at. You can clearly see that caffeine can cause a side effect of anxiety, restlessness, and other side effects. You can also see the details about the route and other notes of interest. We've pretty much made all of our sections here the same. You can immediately type in something to filter out if you're looking for something specific, and you can sort this information. One very cool thing we've done is we've integrated our safety checker across all of our pages. So if you're looking at this and you go, hey, wait a minute, my patient is suffering from anxiety. Are there other supplements that could be causing said anxiety? You can just click on it and we'll instantly tell you what other supplements can be causing anxiety. Our next section is interactions. This is likely the most important section for healthcare professionals. Here we talk about drugs, drug classes, and other supplements that can interact with the supplement you're looking at. So in this case, for caffeine, we can see that it interacts with clozapine, lithium, substrates, inhibitors, and other items. We also have added a level of evidence and level of severity, which quickly tells you how concerned you should be about the potential side effects. You can also filter so you can see specifically only different areas of level of evidence and level of severity. And similarly to the previous one, you can click on an agent and immediately you can see other supplements and the level of evidence and level of severity of interactions they have with the thing you're looking at. The next section is pregnancy and lactation. This is pretty straightforward. Are there any safety concerns for those who are pregnant or currently lactating? And then the final major section is precautions, where we talk about demographics, populations, or other conditions. Here, we talk about people who might have to be careful with the ingestion of a specific supplement based on their population or condition. So we've actually added a notice for the general population here for caffeine, but you can see that there's other populations that should be careful when it comes to consuming caffeine. Finally, we have information on what WADA finds about the supplement. Is it prohibited or not prohibited in consumption for athletes? If you need to look up safety information for multiple supplements, looking up each supplement one by one can be quite tedious. So what we've done is we've created a unified safety checker. We use caffeine as an easy example. I'll load it up right here, and here's the exact same information we were looking at previously without all the other information. It's just caffeine, and it's really, really easy to just switch to another supplement. For example, berberine, very trendy and popular these days. Same thing, safety summary, quality concerns, side effects, and you can always easily visit the page whenever you want to. But it's not just supplements you can look up. You can look up all the other information in our safety database. So, for example, we'll look up a drug, warfarin. You can see here there's multiple supplements that interact with warfarin, and immediately you can see the level of evidence, level of severity, and filter as you could previously. But it's not just the drugs and supplements you can look up. You can also look up the side effects and populations. So we'll scroll down here. Here's some side effects. Let's say a patient comes to you with cough. You'd be like, hey, here are 3 different supplements that can actually possibly cause a side effect of coughing. And as we'd previously been discussing, we can also look at populations. Let's just say you have an athlete that has asthma. Immediately you look up asthma, and here's 2 other supplements that you should be concerned about. The final cool tool here is that you can also look up multiple supplements at the same time and how they interact with other drugs. So I'll put in caffeine here, for example. Let's add zinc. No interactions found. Let's add lithium. Instantly you can see interactions, and let's add warfarin also. You can immediately see now between all the different supplements and drug classes you've entered, here are the potential side effects that can happen if the 2 are consumed together. And that's the goal with the safety checker, is to provide one tool where you can look up all the safety information in whatever order and whatever direction you need to, and be able to best help your patient or client very, very quickly. Thank you for looking at our preview of our upcoming safety database.